After these rains, this water has gotten clear as hell. Then boom, the creek channel starts right there. We're back at the Bowfin Creek.
Hopefully you don't see gators.
That's where the beaver came from. See the beaver dam right there. That's where they're gonna come out and eat us here in a little bit. Oh yeah, you can see stumps down there.
We should fish this. There's enough room for us to get 2 lines out of food.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Which side do you want? That one or this one?
I'll get over here. Break all this as I go, man. Make myself a little cubby hole. See the beaver dam right there. That's where they're gonna come out and eat us here in a little bit. Oh yeah, you can see stumps down there.
I think we should fish this. There's enough room for us to get 2 lines out of food.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Which side do you want? That one or this one?
I'll get over here. Sign up for getting a knife. Having to use my hatchet. Nice. That'll work though. Just like that. There we go. Here we go. Got a bowfin. Whoa. Nah, he's hooked pretty damn good. Alright. Whoa. Here we go. Nope, he don't want to be caught. There we go. Oh, they go crazy, man. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Nah, it's a bowfin. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that one, bro. Nice. Oh my God. That's a big one. Woo. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh. Hey, there we go. Oh man, that's got some size to him. Oh yeah, I don't have pliers anymore. Crap. I don't really catch bowfin in kayaks too often. I'm usually on the bank. Trying to help you, bro. Got it. There we go, bro. Whoa. Nice. So, got a bowfin out here in the kayak. No, I got those bowfin on the Ned rig the other day. Whoa. Gonna let him go. I think he might be in shock. He's just sitting there. Yeah, he's got the hook in between these right here, so I don't want to really hold him up. But yeah, I'd say about 5 pounds. I'm gonna hurry up before he hooks me. See you, dude. Yep, there he goes. Back into the deep water. Nice. Little bullhead, probably. This is real pond-like. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! Yeah. That's something a little bigger, man. Oh! That's a big old blue. Or channel. Oh! Blow! Oh, yeah! He's pissed. Oh! I might beat my record. Not maybe by a little bit. Damn. I might actually, dude. I might have beat my record. There we go. Hooked up again. Big old channel. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh. He's taking me for a ride. Come on. Got him. There we go. Oh, that one's bigger. There we go. All right. It's off. Oh, yep, looking at 6 pounds. There we go. Get him back in the water on this side. Oh no! My scale! Oh no! My scale was in his mouth! That sucks.
Uh-oh.
You got hung up? Oh shit, you got one.
Uh-oh. Hey guys. I want to retrieve. It's a bass.
It's a bass? Oh!